In HoneyBook, you can easily upload your brand assets like images, logos, and colors to make sure that everything you do and send through our platform feels like a cohesive extension of you and your brand. You can also link your Gmail account so that your communications in and out of HoneyBook are one united front. To upload your branding, click your profile photo in HoneyBook and select Company Settings. Scroll down to the Branding section. Here's where you can upload different versions of your logo, like your full logo, which will appear in the headers of the emails that you send, and your standard logo, which will be visible in the headers of any files that you send. Now, click the button to adjust your main brand color. You can also add images to your file library from here. Photos you upload might be used for your file headers, item details, and more. To complete the branding process, you can integrate your Gmail email account and have all emails sent through HoneyBook come from your personal Gmail address. Just head to your company settings, select the Integrations tab, and in the Email Integration section, select Connect Google Account. Once you've entered your login credentials, any emails you send through HoneyBook will appear in your client's inbox as coming directly from your Gmail address. Now, all your HoneyBook communications will feel like you.